We are the first, the best and the leading dedicated craft TV channel retailer in the world. Broadcasting 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, across 3 channels, we are the only craft television retailer to broadcast live shows in the UK and the USA. We are proud winners of many awards, from Best Online Retailer to Best for Customer Service. And in 2018, this award-winning company has made a winning partnership with ACMCRAFTS. Devoted to being the first choice for product selection, value and service, ACMCRAFTS inspires and fulfills unlimited creative possibilities. With over 130 stores offering more than 60,000 products, ACMCRAFTS, together with Create and Craft, can truly deliver a world-class craft presence to customers and suppliers alike. The world of crafting has a very exciting new partnership, so watch this space.